Maximizing motorcycle accident claims. Strategies for dealing with insurers. Motorcycle accidents can be profoundly unsettling events that not only inflict physical harm but also trigger emotional distress and financial strain. One critical facet of recovering from such accidents is adeptly navigating the complex realm of insurance claims. Insurers, driven by their bottom lines, often attempt to settle claims for the least amount possible. However, armed with the right strategies, you can significantly enhance your chances of maximizing your motorcycle accident claim. Understanding motorcycle accident claims. Unraveling the intricate tapestry of motorcycle accident claims is crucial to embarking on your journey toward rightful compensation. When faced with the aftermath of an accident, insurance claims stand as a lifeline through which you seek redress for damages and injuries incurred. By arming yourself with this knowledge, you lay the groundwork for a more effective negotiation process with insurers. An experienced motorcycle accident lawyer in Denver can help you understand your legal rights and pursue insurance claims. Gathering essential documentation. Beyond the shock and upheaval, it's essential to gather a comprehensive array of documents that substantiate your claim. From official police reports that chronicled the incident to vital medical records detailing the extent of your injuries, each piece of evidence is a thread that weaves the fabric of your case. Witness statements and photographs capturing the accident scene and the resultant damage to your motorcycle further bolster the credibility of your claim. In the realm of insurance claims, the role of medical professionals cannot be emphasized enough. Beyond seeking immediate medical attention, it's imperative to collaborate closely with medical experts to build a robust case. Comprehensive medical evaluations and treatments not only contribute to your recovery but also serve as integral pillars in establishing the severity of your injuries and their tangible impact on your life. Interacting with insurance adjusters can be a delicate dance that significantly influences the trajectory of your claim. In this segment, we delve into a nuanced exploration of the do's and don'ts when engaging with insurers. A cardinal rule: refrain from admitting fault and exercise caution when providing recorded statements. These interactions are pivotal moments where you need to tread carefully to avoid inadvertently compromising your claim. Consulting with legal professionals before engaging with the insurer can provide invaluable guidance, ensuring your rights and interests are steadfastly protected. The meticulous evaluation of damages constitutes a cornerstone in the pursuit of fair compensation. Far beyond mere medical expenses, the calculation should encompass a comprehensive array of factors. This ranges from quantifying property damage and lost wages to assessing the intangible toll of pain and suffering. The potency of your claim lies in its presentation. Crafting a compelling narrative that vividly illustrates the accident sequence, the ensuing damages, and their profound impact is essential. A strong case is built upon a meticulous assembly of evidence: photographs that visually narrate the accident scene, medical records that lend credence to the extent of your injuries, and expert opinions that lend an authoritative voice. Negotiation tactics for a fair settlement. Negotiation is an intricate dance where preparation and strategy hold the key to success. Armed with a well-researched settlement demand that cogently presents your damages and losses, you embark on a journey toward securing equitable compensation. From being open to counteroffers to exercising patience through the process, mastering the nuances of negotiation increases your odds of achieving a settlement that stands as a testament to your perseverance. Considering legal assistance. When the terrain becomes treacherous, legal expertise can serve as your guiding light. This segment explores the crucial juncture where consulting with a motorcycle accident attorney can make a transformative difference. A seasoned attorney brings a wealth of experience to the table, offering insights that can fundamentally alter the trajectory of your claim. Conclusion. Your claim, your right. Navigating the terrain of motorcycle accident claims demands a blend of resilience, preparation, and strategic engagement. The journey, though arduous, is one where your commitment to securing rightful compensation stands as a testament to your determination. As this comprehensive guide concludes, remember that your claim is not merely a financial pursuit but a vindication of your rights. Armed with knowledge, guided by strategic insight, and fortified by your unwavering resolve, you stand poised to maximize your motorcycle accident claim and attain the compensation that truly befits the magnitude of your experience.